there's consequences of our behavior. We must understand the consequences of our own behavior are always there, lurking in the background, waiting for us to acknowledge them. It can be hard to accept the consequences of our actions, especially when they are negative. It's tempting to bury our heads in the sand and pretend that everything is okay. But believe me, there are consequences of our bad choices. For example, as a school teacher, we are constantly teaching our children that there was a consequences of their action if they didn't do their homework. They would get words wrong or didn't do what the teacher said. There's a consequences in our behavior, and that we have to understand. Ignoring distractions, timeout and delay or restrictions of privileges are examples of negative behavior. Negative consequences. It is a good idea to try ignoring or distracting our child as a potential consequences. If this do not work or not possible, think about what common sense consequences related to misbehavior. We have to understand that the three-term possible events of behavior and consequences is antecedent, is something that comes before a behavior and may trigger that behavior. A behavior is trying an individual, thus a consequence is something that follows the behavior. I know this is not an easy share, but we must always be aware of the consequences of our own behavior. If we act good, the result is good. If we act bad, the result is bad. We have to understand that in every situation, we have to face the consequences of our behavior. Therefore, it is very important, especially the child. We must train the child to do the right thing. We must begin to teach them what are the consequences if they will not study. What are the consequences if they are not going to do their homework. There's a lot of things to consider if they are not going to do the right thing. And it is the same with our life. We have to understand and be aware what behavior we are showing to others. Many times, it is very difficult for us to handle things because we don't really understand the consequences of our actions. The actions and behaviors goes hand in hand to understand what is going on with our life. We must understand the cause. The cause, what is the cause why you are behaving this way? And you have to understand the effect, what this thing can affect other. What are the things that this can be a hindrance for others as well? We have to understand the whole story. We must be patient, be humble to consider things. Do not be so judgmental. Each and every one of us must understand the consequences of our own behavior. If you had a good behavior, it will result a good one too. If you had a bad behavior, it will result that badly too. The cause and effect, when most of us think about the behavior we are showing to others. We think of them as some sort of punishment for bad behavior. We have to live with the consequences of our action, but we need to think more broadly than that. Every action we take has consequences. Every behavior we show has consequences, big and little, good and bad, public or unseen. Humans really are effect machine who go around causing things to happen. The faster we can learn about that we have an impact on our surrounding, the faster we can start to take care with how we behave. And it is a learning process. Like children, they are learning it day by day, every day. And they have to understand the consequences of their behavior when they're crying a lot, when they don't listen to their parents. It is the same for us adults. We have to understand these things. So show good behavior, so other people will show you good behavior as well. Show you good actions to others, and the others will show you the good action as well. This is just a reminder from my own reading that each and every one of us, we are creating our own future through our behavior and daily action. This is Shundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.